Hi, welcome to this week's Tasty Tuesday. Today we're going to be making some easy 5-minute crepes. Start by adding in your flour and eggs to your bowl. Then you're going to mix that till it gets clumpy. Once you see that it's starting to get clumpy, add in your half cup of water. Once mixed, you're going to add in your milk and butter. Then you're going to mix that all together. You're going to continue to mix till your mixture is very thin. Make sure there are no clumps in your mixture. Lastly, you're going to add in a dash of salt and mix again. Then you're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. Once your mixture is ready, you're going to spray a pan with cooking spray and then add in about 1/4 of your mixture to the pan. Once a minute goes by, you're going to flip, and once it's ready, you may serve it. You may add any desired toppings to your crepes. I'm going to be adding in some raspberry jam, banana, and maple syrup. Then you're gonna fold twice. And enjoy.